Right now is 5:34, 35. Here, Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Going to taking Cherry to the taking picture with her friend to the downtown Chapel Hill. Sarah is the chauffeur and Mary is the how do you call the director or whatever that we call. And then Cherry that's here, the star. And then the mama was sitting, enjoy it very proudly. Okay. So we are going to the downtown. To document
It's gonna stop right here.
a little bit.
I thought that car was coming over, but she wasn't.
Okay, we are in the
Public
downtown
parking
of
system. I'm
Chapel
looking at the
Hill.
signs for
So
tomorrow.
to the right?
Yeah.
Okay, try to figure out how to go to Cherry
And
Day's
then-
place.
You're gonna have to turn right at this light up here.
600 feet, turn right onto Bell Tower Drive.
The bell tower.
600 feet. Just.
Like literally at that light, you're gonna have to turn right, and then you keep going.
Right there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this light right here by the science building.
So let me see. These are the signs for graduation tomorrow. Keaton Stadium.
Right onto Bell Tower Drive, then turn left.
Public parking is still here.
Where?
Keep going straight. At the parking lot.
Priscilla just asked me what time we're gonna pick them up for dinner.
It's like 6. We'll try to be quick.
6:15.